Have you heard about the new community coming to Bonita Springs called Vivid Shores? It is all about living life vividly lakeside, and I am so excited to share this one with you. Vivid Shores is going to be a over 1,000 acre gated luxury lakefront boatable community coming in an amazing location in Bonita Springs. It is going to be the only boatable lake in Bonita Springs, and it is going to be the only community of its kind that has that boatable option that is going to offer new construction homes. Our team has helped tons of families moving in and out of Southwest Florida and the high country of North Carolina, and new construction is one of our specialties. We understand the process, we've been through it ourselves, and if you are interested in going this route, we would love to have the opportunity to be your boots on the ground and make sure you get all the latest information, that you are caught up to date, help you negotiate, figure out the best deals that you can get when you're looking to build new construction here in Southwest Florida. And we would love to keep you updated on what's happening with Vivid Shores. If you're looking to get more information about this community, you can either comment below Vivid or text the word Vivid to 239-776-6872. And we will put you on our Vivid Shores Insider list to make sure you can be updated on all new information as it is released. This community is currently getting going. It is supposed to be opening in first quarter of 2026. So we are getting close. The model homes are in design and they are in progress, and we are going to be continuing to have a lot more information over the next couple months as they get ready to launch the community. Now, there are going to be two builders within this community: Stock Custom Luxury Homes and Pulte. And it's very exciting. There's going to be 651 total home sites, 435 of them with Pulte, the rest with Stock. Now, what you need to understand is two different builders. This is going to be kind of similar to the Wild Blue community that is in Fort Myers, which is another boatable community that actually had 4 different home builders coming together with shared amenities for that. This one, it's just going to be 2, Pulte and Stock. Stock is going to offer a variety of their most popular floor plans. And something that you need to know about Stock is it is definitely a more luxury home. There are a lot more features and benefits that come with the base plan of the home, and then you can literally customize quite a bit with Stock. It is they're on larger home sites, and it really gives somebody who's looking for luxury a great opportunity to really build a really nice custom home. Pulte is also going to be offering some really nice upgrades and base models in this community, more so than what we've seen in some of the other communities that we have worked with them as a builder. So for example, the base, what will come with the home is going to be KitchenAid stainless steel appliances. Typically that is an upgrade with Pulte. They are also going to have 8-foot solid core doors. That is also typically an upgrade with Pulte. So they're going to have some really nice features that are a part of every home. And then with Pulte, you can customize. I would call them more of a semi-custom builder, but there are a lot of different options that you can choose, a lot of different floor plans that you can choose. You can add a second floor. You can turn a shower tub combo into a walk-in shower. You can add a 0-corner slider. So you do have customization that you can do with a Pulte home. So let's get into some of the details about Vivid Shores and why everyone is so excited. This is really one of the more exciting communities that we've seen recently. Wild Blue, which again is a similar type of community, really sold well with the mix that they had there. It was a great formula, and I'm excited to see it being similarly repeated down here in Vivid Shores. The first thing we want to talk about is the incredible location. Vivid Shores is going to be just a few minutes from Interstate 75. You're about 15-20 minutes to the international airport, 15-20 minutes to the beach, and you're going to be 5 minutes from the new Midtown Bonita. Ooh, we're going to talk more about that in a minute, but the location is what is so amazing for this. I truly believe, and I tell people this that I'm working with all the time, that living off of Bonita Beach Road on the east side is a hidden gem. There is a lot of protected land, so it will not be fully developed the same way that Immokalee and Corkscrew Road are. There's never going to be that same number of front doors because of the way that it is set up, and that to me is awesome. You already have the convenience of shops, Publix. You have a quick pass down Logan Boulevard to get to Immokalee and everything that offers. You're only about 10 minutes to downtown Bonita Springs, which is experiencing a really nice revitalization. In fact, if you haven't been through there, you definitely should. There's some amazing restaurants, food truck park, an outdoor music venue. There is a lot happening in downtown Bonita, and it is not that far from where Vivid Shores is going to be located. So I am obsessed with how awesome this neighborhood and the location is going to be. Everyone keeps talking about the watercolor of Vivid Shores and the beautiful turquoise lakes. There are going to be 3 different lakes within Vivid Shores. And again, this is a boatable water community. So there will be boat docks available. You will be able to jump in your boat and head on over to the amenities complex. It's going to be absolutely incredible. The whole point and the whole reason behind this neighborhood, they are trying to design it around connection, wellness, and of course, an active lifestyle. So let's get back to some of the stock floor plans here real quick. So you're going to have many different floor plan options if you choose to build with stock, and you're going to have ranges from 1,700 square feet up to over 4,000. Again, you can highly customize these stock homes if you come in and you build from dirt. They have an amazing product. They are a very well-known builder. They've been a part of a lot of great luxury communities throughout Southwest Florida. Wild Blue is the one I keep talking about. That's just one area. They actually are in a lot of different communities. So if you want more information or would like to see some examples of that, please reach out, because I'm happy to put some information together for you so you can kind of see some of the different options. We're going to share some of the details of the floor plans that are going to be here. And again, as the community gets closer to launch, we are going to have so much more information to share. So don't forget to comment Vivid below if you want to get more information on that. And then Pulte is going to have floor plans that range from 2,300 up to 5,000 square feet. They're going to be offering, at this point, they're saying 13 different floor plans. Some of them you have seen before in other communities. Others are going to be new or updated versions. They've got some front entry garages, some side entry garages. I'm really excited to see the new product that they bring. And again, I talked about this already, but I love some of the standards that they are promoting with this community, such as the 8-foot solid doors. They actually are going to put gutters around the whole house. If you watch our videos, you hear us talk about this. This is something that people ask about all the time. Like, why are there not gutters all the way around the house? Well, there will be in Vivid Shores. So there's many different upgrades that are going to just be the standard for the base model of the Pulte homes. So even if you come in and you don't go crazy with upgrades, you're still going to have a very nice, high quality home. Like so many of our lifestyle communities here in Southwest Florida, the star of the show is always going to be the amenity center. And Vivid Shores is going to be no exception to that. Resort style pool, of course, gorgeous. They also have a resistance pool, a luxury and very well equipped exercise facility. All the same amenities that you see in a lot of our communities. But if you have been watching Southwest Florida and or carry along with all the new developments, I'm sure you're noticing the same thing, that each time a developer brings a new community forward, the amenities just seem to get better and better. Let's keep talking about what are some of these other amenities that you're going to have at Vivid Shores. Pickleball, undercover and out of cover. Yes, we're starting to see those types of things more often. Tennis, of course. Bocce. There's going to be a dog park. There's going to be docks so that you can come up and you can enjoy indoor-outdoor dining. There's going to be a brick pizza oven. Oh, come on. The list goes on and on. A vent lawn. Woo! All kinds of space for you to enjoy the Southwest Florida lifestyle if you choose to make Vivid Shores your home. And I don't want to forget, there is more than just that. There's going to be walking trails. Some of our communities don't have that beyond just the normal sidewalks in front of your home. So walking trails are a huge bonus. They're going to have saunas. They're going to have fire pits. It's going to be very cool, and I'm excited to be sharing some of the schematics of what is to come that you can see here in the background behind me. And I just want to continue to highlight that the location is what is going to make this community so special. Most of our new construction is all happening east of 75, which this is as well. but it is so close to 75. It is so close to Naples, Fort Myers, the airport, the beaches, where Midtown Bonita is coming. It is truly an incredible central location. You are just minutes to anything that you might need. So let's talk real quick about the mixed use development that is coming in Midtown Bonita. This has also brought a ton of excitement even before Vivid Shores was announced, because this is something else that is missing. If you have shopped at Mercado in Naples, this is going to be very comparable to that. It's going to have a hotel, restaurants, shopping, living spaces. And let's talk a little bit about some of the exciting businesses that have already been announced. Lowbrow Pizza. You probably, if you've watched our videos, you might have seen it on one of our top 5 pizzas of Southwest Florida down in Naples. And now we're going to have one in Midtown Bonita, and we are thrilled. That means it's going to be super close to where we live in Estero as well. We can't wait for Lowbrow Pizza. They're going to also have nail salons, and they're going to have a Chipotle, and they're going to have a Panera, and they're going to have a gelato shop. So it's going to have a wide assortment of businesses, and one that literally got us so excited. You can tell we're foodies and we love to eat, right? We talk about the restaurants a lot. Jeff's Bagel Run. Jeremy and I discovered Jeff's Bagel Run when we were up in Orlando attending a Arnold Palmer Golf Invitational, and we wanted a bagel. So we found this, and it said, never toasted, only boiled. And we were kind of skeptical, not sure about how we felt about that, but we decided to give it a try. And let me tell you, they have got something figured out there. Line out the door on a weekend morning. Everybody already knows and appreciates what Jeff's Bagel Run has to offer. They do have some custom coffees. They have some customized bagel selections. They have some customized cream cheeses. But oh, was that bagel good? So I'm really excited for Jeff's Bagel Run to be right there in Midtown Bonita. We have a few great New York style bagel shops already, but I'll be curious to see once it comes. What do you think about the Bagel Run? Because it's pretty awesome. So who is Vivid Shores perfect fit for? Well, it's for somebody who wants to be closer inland and is looking for some new construction. Somebody who's looking for a boatable lake. Somebody who's looking for amazing lifestyle and amenities, but in a little bit of a more intimate community. 651 homes is pretty small for the amount of land that this neighborhood is going to encompass. There are going to be amazing water views. There'll be awesome preserve views, just like so many of our neighborhoods. If you're looking to be closer to where all the action is happening, but you still want some luxury new construction, then you should definitely comment below Vivid or shoot me a text at 239-776-6872 so I can keep you on our Vivid Shores Insider list and make sure you get the information. This is a highly anticipated community, and I think that the interest is going to be very, very high when they do release. Again, we are expecting it to come in the next month or 2 months. The models are being built right now, and we're hearing it's going to launch here soon. So no pricing yet. We do have information on floor plans, which we will share with you if you text us or comment below Vivid so that you can start getting an idea and see whether or not this might be an option for you if you're looking to buy something or build something new here in Southwest Florida. You know, we are all about the lifestyle and looking to help people live joy here in Southwest Florida. And I love that the tagline of this neighborhood is Live Vividly Lakeside, because that is exactly what they are offering people. You can always find us on social media. You can contact us directly at 239-776-6872. Whether you're interested in Vivid Shores, or you want to talk about resale, or you want to look at other communities, different areas, we are here to help you, and we are here to answer questions to help you as you prepare to either move to or buy in Southwest Florida. We help people every day buy, sell, and invest in properties. After all, we want to help all of you live joy too.